Good morning. That day we completed task 6 up to 4. Now we start 5th one. Task 6, 5th one is there. So that is on page number 58. What is the problem? You read that problem also. Harsha earns rupees 82,546 a month. Megha earns rupees 90,100 a month. How much more Megha earn than Harsha? Okay, so once again we read problem. Harsha earns rupees 82,546 a month. Megha earns rupees 90,100 a month. How much more Megha earns than Harsha? So here, what we have to find out? How much Megha earn more than Harsha? So how to do it? We will see it. Earning of Harsha. So first you write C. Which one is the big? That one we have to write first one. So earning of Harsha. It is 82,546. And earning of Megha. How much earning of Megha? Rupees 90,100 rupees. Now, earning of, which earning we want? Who means how much Megha earn more than Harsha. So, earning of Megha, more earning of Megha. So what we have to do? From big one we will subtract small one. That is so 0 minus 6. No. So here is a 10 and here is a 9. So 10 minus 6 4. Why here is 9 student? Because see here is 0. So from 0 we can take borrow. No, so we take borrow from this one. So here is 0 and here is a 10. But from this 10 we give one borrow to this 0. That's why here is a 9. Now see, 9 minus 4, it is 5. Now, 0 minus 5 we can subtract. No. So again we have to take borrow from 0. But here is a 0. Same. Then again we have to take borrow from 9. So here is 8. Here is a 10. From this 10 we give one borrow to this one. So here is a 10 and here is a 9. Now 10 minus 5, it is 5. And 9 minus 2, 7. 8 minus 8, 0. Okay. So how much she earn more than Harsha? Rupees 7,554. So write down final answer. Megha earn 7,554 rupees more than Harisha. Okay, so this is our problem. Now we see next one. 6. The sum of two numbers is 7,561 if one of them is 4,078, find the other. Okay, so once again we read problem. The sum of two number is 7,561 if one of them is 4,078, find the other. Means two numbers, the sum of that two number is this one. From that two number, one number is this one. Then what we have to find out? Other number. Means what is the given? C. A number is given. And what is the sum? Here one number is there of this number and this number. Their addition is 7,561. Then what we have to find out? This one and this one is given. We have to find out other number. So how to find out it? From this number we will subtract this. Then we will get this number. So see. 7,561 minus 4,078. Okay. Now we subtract. Then we will get this one. See, 1 minus 8 we can subtract? No. So we take borrow from 6. Here is 11. Now 11 minus 8. After 8 count up to 11. 9, 10, 11. So 11 minus 8 is 3. Now next one. What is the next? 5 minus 7. From 5 we can subtract 7? No. Then we take borrow from this 5. So here is 4 and here is a 5. That is a 15. So 15 minus 7. How much it is? Do it. 15 minus 7 is 8. Next one. 4 minus 0. 4. And 7 minus 4. It is 3. Okay, student. So one number is this one and other is this one. So what is our answer? This is our answer. So what is that number? This one. Now we will see here. Add it. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 is here, 1 will be carried. Then 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15 and 15 plus 1, 16. So 6 is here, 1 is carried. 4 plus 1, 5. And 3 plus 4, 7. Look, this number and this number, both numbers are same. So our answer is correct. This is our answer. Now we see next one. Very easy it is. I hope you understand this one. Now 7 sum is there. What must be added to get what must to added to 3172 to get so here student, what we have to find out, what must to added in this number, then we will get this answer. Means see, this one is given, this one we have to find out, and this one is the answer. Means in this number, which number we add, then we will get this number. Then what we have to do? Again we have to do same way. Means from this number we subtract this one. Means 51 minus this number. Then we will get this number. So now 1 minus 2, we can do it? No. 11 and here is a 4. So 11 minus 2 is 9. Next is a 4 minus 7. So 4 minus 7 we can do? No. We take borrow from this 0. But here is 0. Then we take borrow from this 8. Here is a 7. Here is a 10. And now from this 10 we give borrow to this 4. So here is a 9 and here is a 14. Now 14 minus 7. 7 is there. 9 minus 1. 8 is there. And 7 minus 3, 4 is there. Okay. So when in this number, if we add this number, then we will get this answer. See, we will see. Check it. Add it. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 is here, 1 will be carried. 7 plus 7, 14. And 14 plus 1, 15. 5 is here, 1 is carried. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 0 is here, 1 will be carried. 3 plus 4, 7. And 7 plus 1, 8. See, this number and this number is same. Means our answer is correct. That is the answer. Okay student, I hope you understand these sums. Now student, here in this chapter, in this task, here today we solve 3. Now 2 are remaining, that you have to solve by yourself. Now your maths homework. Page number 58. Page number 58 in notebook. So 7 up to 7 I solve here. Remaining 8, 9, 10 you have to solve by yourself. Okay. Now we see next one in next period. So that's all for today. Good day and thank you all.